Hello, and welcome to How to Create a Google Doc. All Alberta students have access to a Google Drive and all the accompanying Google tools via their Albertus email account. To access your Albertus email account, go to the My Albertus page and locate the Gmail Albertus email tile. Depending on the size of your screen, this tile may be located in a different area. Hint, I always look for the orange tile to locate the Gmail title. Once you log into your email, on the far right-hand side, where my cursor is rotating, is the link to your Google Apps. See how when you hover over it, it says Google Apps? For the purpose of this demonstration, we will go over one of the tools that are available to you, which is Google Docs, located here, which is very similar to Microsoft Word. But please note, for your quantitative courses, you would use Google Sheets, which is very similar to Microsoft Excel. And for any presentations you may have to create, you would use Google Slides, which are very similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's begin our demonstration by clicking on Google Docs. When you go to the Google Doc page, you will see you have the ability to create a blank one as well as others from their template gallery. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll create it from a blank document. The first thing you should always do is name your document. That way you can find it easily later. We'll name this AB-111 Week 1 Essay. Just as a Word ribbon is at the top that gives editing tools and icons, so does Google Doc. If you type the title of your paper in, you can see how we can center it, we can left align it, or right align it. We can change the font size, we can change the font type, and probably most importantly, as you would do for all academic papers, you would double space. So now that we've created a document, let's demonstrate how to submit the document to your e-learning class. The first thing you would do is find the link to the assignment where it needs to be submitted. Click on the link, press Add Submission. Then you would need to upload a paper. You can see how it says Add and a piece of paper. We do not need to create a file folder. So we're just going to use the piece of paper, and it automatically defaults to a Browse Upload Your File, which would be your local hard drive. Instead, we are going to take our Google Doc from our Google Drive. So you would click on a Google Drive. You may have to log in at this point. Because I've already logged in, I'm all set. Then you just scroll down and find the paper that we named AB-111 Week 1. So see how by naming it, it makes it easier to find later. Once you get more experience, you can also create files. You can create files for each course, so you can easily find your documents in the file. But let's submit this document. As you can see, it gives the name of the document. Press Select this file. Press Save Changes. And always make sure that you see the document here, submitted for grading, and the day it was submitted. If you made a mistake, you can easily edit your submission, go back to it, delete, it asks, are you sure? Yes. And then go back and find the correct document. And go through the steps again of selecting and submitting. That
concludes our presentation.